Okay, so it's Jason and I'm on the couch again. This is like a new kind of style of video, I suppose. And if you've been watching this channel for the last 2 or 3 years, our style and the type of content we produce has changed quite a bit. And recently, it's sort of changed again. I think you probably would agree. We've got Roan, hey Roan, on board now. And obviously he's a filmmaker with his own style, and I've done my own stuff before, and I've got my own style, and we've had Moja working with us, and he'll probably come and do stuff with us in the future as well. So there's all these different styles and types of videos that we've got planned, and we really don't know if they're gonna be good or not. So we're just gonna do them and post them here, and hopefully you guys like it. And if you don't, I'm sure you'll tell us. But yeah, I just wanted to explain our methodology. Like, why do we even make videos? Why do I take the time and effort to sit here on my couch and talk to a camera with really bright lights in my face? So I want to get into that, and I also want to address some of the comments we get as well. I mean, a lot of people like the stuff and have been commenting positively, and that's great. So thank you all for those people. The feedback.
It's just a matter of him getting the supplies ready and then actually beginning. But I think it starts next week. What's wrong with mine, Jack?
Casey.
Feedback we get is super, super important. We like to hear your thoughts, so keep doing it. But also, every time we post a video, there's someone that sort of says, hey, we don't care about this shit. We don't care about it. We just want to see production updates about the Raptor, and we understand that, we do. But it's important to bear this in mind. And this is, I'm not attacking our pre-order customers here. I value you guys. I can't do this without you guys. But our subscriber, we've got like 17,000 subscribers. And not all of them are Raptor 2 pre-order customers. So only a really small percentage of our viewers are waiting for a Raptor. So I've got to balance our content out a little bit. We will keep doing Raptor 2 update videos, definitely. You know, that's something that I spend most of my time working on when I'm here working. If I'm not sitting here or doing something else, eating burritos. Good. Ooh, I got a tasty sauce. It's good. It's tangy. That's what I'm doing, right? I'm trying to get Raptor 2s built and delivered to people. But it's sort of boring. I mean, if I just filmed myself doing that, it'd be literally me sitting at my computer and talking to people for hours on end. It's really boring. Most of the time, we're just talking about the same shit over and over again. So how about this for a deal? When we have useful information about Raptor 2 production and updates and stuff, we'll write that in the video. Raptor 2 update, it'll be obvious. If we haven't written that in there, the video is gonna be about something else. So if you only watch this channel to get Raptor 2 updates, don't watch any video that isn't a Raptor 2 update, and you'll be happy. But if you want to know about what the hell else is going on in the world of electric skateboards, the community that's involved, the people that are involved, where this community and industry sort of started and where we believe it's going, tune in and watch all this other stuff. And that's what I want to quickly talk about. So just now I did a quick call with a buddy of mine, Long-Haired Boy. He makes electric skateboards in his garage. He's in Florida. If you don't know him, check out his website, longhairedboy.com, and check out the next video that we upload, because it's going to be like a 1 hour long video with this guy where we just have a chat. And that's what I'm passionate about. I obviously want to make the most powerful electric skateboard in the world and sell it all over the world to everyone. And I am going to do that. That's what we work towards. But I also want to build the community and build the industry and bring everyone up with us, with Inertian. If you go back in time and have a look at things we've done in the past, you'll see that we're always trying to build the industry and build the community with us. That's why we created the Electric Skateboard Builders Forum. We allowed our competitors to go on there and talk about the products they sell and to showcase their products to the community and communicate to customers so vendors and customers can be united essentially and come together. And our Fockbox resellers program, that's something that we really didn't have to do. And I don't want to come across like a cocky, but I believe that giving some of these products that we've developed that are stable and like we know that they're good, making them available to other smaller businesses who are trying to start up in their garage and stuff so that they can sell them to people, that's important to us because we know at the end of the day, the end user is what's important. The community is what's important. We need to do everything in our power to build the industry, because if we don't have people who are informed and who are educated about the products and who can service the products and who can cater to the demands of local Eastgate communities that are popping up all over the world, if that doesn't exist, what is our business going to do? We're nothing without that community. I think it's important that people have a connection with someone in this world, and we want to see that as well. So all these videos that we do might not be about the Raptor 2, but they are about the electric skateboard community, the DIY electric skateboard community as well, even though we're not as heavily involved in that as we used to, but it's a part of our DNA. That's where we came from. And if you're watching this, and if you have been watching our channel, hopefully in a few years you'll look back and you can see this amazing story about this little business in a garage that decided to make motor mounts, and how that grew and how that built the community and the industry, and these group rides that you see on YouTube, you know, bringing everyone together to achieve a bigger, more amazing goal. That's super important to me. So sorry for ranting about stuff and going on a tangent. I don't script these videos. It's just me sitting down on the couch, talking to the camera, talking to my audience about things that I think are important. So that's what we're going to keep doing. But please comment, please tell us if you do see a particular video format or style that you like. You need to say so, and we'll try to do more of that. Okay, see you later.